Hi everyone, Omni here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to paint the Gorgers from the Gorger Mawpack from Warcry quickly and easily. Let's start with priming. We'll use Zenithal priming technique with black and white using a rattle can. Now we're going to do a very thin wash using red and blue. I'll start with Army Painter's Pure Red. All you need to do is add matte medium, thin the paint into a very watery liquid and just splash the paint in the desired area. It's that easy. Wipe out any big puddles and keep adding red until it looks great. Once dry, we'll move on to the blue. For the blue, I'll use ultramarine blue. Don't forget to add matte medium and some Phalos blue. Thin it down into a watery liquid and repeat the same process. You can add more blue than red to give the skin a frosty grey color. For the bone, the easiest way is to use contrast or speed paint. Here, I'm using palette bones from Army Painter. For the brown, hardened leather will do the trick. For the black area, like the hair, we'll use green black from Army Painter. These are mostly for base preparation before we get to washing. For the bandages and cloth, I'm using AK Interactive's Decompose Flash. Now, let's move on to the small details like the arrow and the mouth. For washing, we're using Citadel's Berserker Blood Shade. Apply it to areas where you think it will be a blood stain, like the mouth and hands. Thin it down so it won't ruin the paint. From here, you can see the model start to show its vibrant color. Instead of painting the shredded cloth brown, I like to use skin color, making it look like the Gorger skinned a victim and use it as loincloth. I forgot to mention the metal. Army Painter's plate mill metal should work here. Let's go back to the washing with Berserker Blood Shade. Then, we'll use Army Painter's Strong Tone Wash. Thin down and apply it on the flat surfaces. Finally, bring back the Berserker Blood Shade for some finishing touches. We're almost there. Let's add some white highlights. A white glaze with Army Painter's Matte White should do the trick. Stipple it carefully and adjust as needed. Just take your time and watch the magic happen. Now for the base, first paint the rock with Citadel Contrast Administratum Grey. Measure the base and add some blue tack to mark where the Gorger will stand. Then add some super glue and spread random sands on the base, along with baking soda. Once dry, Zenithal prime the base with black and white. Paint some areas with burnt sienna and thin down black. Once it's dry, add white to make it look like snow. Blow it all together and it's ready. There you have it, your Gorger's ready for action. Thanks for watching, this is Omni saying see you next time. Take care everybody. This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.